In this video, I'll show you how long it takes for TradingView to do a refund. Now first you should keep in mind if you can even do a refund, and if it's an annual plan that you have been charged and it's less than 2 weeks ago, then you will be able to get a full refund. However, if it's a monthly plan, it's highly unlikely that you'll get a refund, but you can still contact them if you want on the support team. So just keep that in mind. However, if you issue a full refund for the annual plan and it was less than 2 weeks ago, you should just wait up to 1 week, 1 business week, so Monday to Friday, and you should get your refund. However, if it doesn't happen during the first week, you can contact them, and then you should also try, maybe give it a few more days after that and see if it happens. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.